people from my life these past few months that I thought was going to be my life until I die one day. But he showed me that this is my journey. This is not our journey. Remember, God opens a door. God opens a door for you. Not for you, your friends, your girlfriend, your fiance. God opens a door for you. And if that person is meant to go with you through the door, he will, they will, she will. But if not, they won't. And God is going to show you signs. He's going to show you, small things that tell you, no, this person is not for you. Keep it moving. You have a bigger goal. And now, you know what I'm about to sacrifice? I'm about to sacrifice the biggest thing. And for me, it's going to help me a lot because I know God has opened the door for me. I mean, I know I'm the chosen one. I know for a fact. And I will never doubt it. You have to say it with confidence. You have to speak it into existence. God opened the door for me. And I'm going to go through the door. And I'm going to go through the door alone for this next couple of months. Do you know why? Because for me to go through the door, I need to go through it so I can become stronger. Mentally, physically, financially, emotionally. In each and every aspect of my life, I want to level myself up. So when I'm through that door and I'm the person that I'm supposed to be, and I'm the person that God wants me to be, I'll come back out of the door and I'll come and get everybody that waited for me.